And here is how you guys can change your factory very slow head unit to something very decent and nice with navigation system, something very reliable. I'm sorry for my royal areas keep beeping. So it's 2015 Chrysler 200, and also it's same as 2016 and 17 and 18 and 19. So that's what I did. I ordered a new dash kit, order my head unit, and yeah, let me show you what I got. So first of all, I can control everything over my control panel. I don't need to keep touching my system. And that's my volume, that's my AC. You see, as you touch it, it's gonna just do the magic for you. Changing my fan, changing my vent right here. Oops. That's very important for this car because otherwise no other way that you can change your air vent. Oops. Okay, that's what I wanted. And for the navigation system, you need to go to your screen. Home, let's take me home. It's very responsible. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars for navigation. You have best navigation inside the audio, car audio. I mean, I don't know how it goes. So, yep, just change it.